Hello everyone, welcome to another update. So, we're converting this garage, this concrete slab-based garage, into a games room, and I thought I'd just show you. Hello everyone, welcome to an update on this video. In this video I'm just going to talk to you about the corners, because they are the hardest things to figure out. So what I've done is I've put some of this insulation board against the main parts and filled it in with foam. So I'll just show you what I've done, and then I'll show you what I'm going to do next. As you can see, I've put a load of foam in. It's quite expensive, this stuff, so if you're going to get lots of cans you might need more than you expect. So I've done the corners where the actual roof meets the walls. I'll just go over here and show you what I've done in this corner. As such, you can see that I've spent a lot of time doing it. And if we just move back a little bit, I'll just show you where we're at with the actual plywood. So I've plywood the bottom part of the wall, as you can see. Done a bit up there. We've got some more over here, and I think we've done a half decent job so far. But one thing you need to keep in mind is it is expensive. This plywood here that I've got on the walls, I've got another 4 boards as well, set me back about £500, and that included obviously the 6 for the floor. I've got 18mm plywood for the floor and 12mm for the walls. So if you want to keep watching and wait for another update, I'll show you where we're at in the next couple of days. Alright, thank you, bye bye.